The Florida panther, an icon of the Sunshine State, faced a dire threat of extinction. But thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, its story turned into a remarkable success. Let's begin by understanding what makes the Florida panther so unique and why its survival is so important. The Florida panther is a subspecies of the North American cougar, found almost exclusively in the swamplands and forests of South Florida, particularly the Everglades and Big Cypress. In the 20th century, the panther population suffered a dramatic decline. Loss of habitat due to human development and historical hunting pushed this majestic cat to the brink. By the mid-1990s, the situation became critical. The small number of remaining panthers faced severe challenges that threatened their very existence. A major problem was the genetic bottleneck. With such a small, isolated population, inbreeding became rampant, severely limiting their genetic diversity. This inbreeding led to serious health issues, including heart defects, compromised immune systems, and low sperm quality, making successful reproduction difficult. At its lowest point, the estimated population of the Florida panther plummeted to fewer than 30 individuals, signaling imminent extinction without radical intervention. To pull the panther back from the brink, scientists initiated a bold and controversial conservation strategy, the Genetic Restoration Program. In 1995, 8 female Texas Cougars were introduced into the Florida population. Texas Cougars are the closest living relative to the Florida panther. The core objective was to inject new genetic diversity into the Florida panther population, effectively rescuing them from the devastating effects of inbreeding. The program was a huge success, demonstrating the power of science-based conservation to reverse the fortunes of an endangered species. The introduction of new genes led to a rapid increase in the panther's numbers and a notable improvement in their overall health and vitality. The population rebounded significantly, climbing from fewer than 30 to an estimated 120 to 230 adults and subadults, a true testament to the restoration effort. While the panther population has stabilized, new threats constantly emerge, requiring continued vigilance and conservation action. One of the biggest ongoing threats is habitat loss and fragmentation, as Florida's human population continues to grow and expand into the panther's territory. Tragically, vehicle collisions are now the primary cause of mortality for the Florida panther, as they are forced to cross busy roads in search of food and mates. The story of the Florida panther is far from over, but the progress made gives us hope for the future. The Florida panther is a beacon of hope, showing that with dedicated effort and innovative science, endangered species can be saved from the brink of extinction. Continued conservation efforts, including protecting habitat and ensuring safe passage across roads, are essential for the long-term survival of this magnificent animal.